How to get Apollo Group TV on Roku. I'm going to tell you how to get Apollo Group TV on Roku. Apollo Group TV isn't available in the Roku Channel Store, so you can't install it directly. But you can still watch it using screen mirroring. First, grab your phone, tablet, or computer, the one with the Apollo app or access to the Apollo web player. Now on your Roku, go to Settings, System, and then Screen Mirroring, and turn it on. Next, from your phone or laptop, start screen mirroring. On Android, use Cast or Smart View. On iPhone, swipe down and tap Screen Mirroring. On Windows, press Windows plus K. Select your Roku from the list. Once selected, open Apollo Group TV on your device and just stream it like normal. Everything will show up on your Roku connected screen. So no direct app, but with screen mirroring, it works just fine.